Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and you are improving your English speaking skills. Today I am going to talk about something that helps you to improve your speaking. So, I'm going to talk about practicing out loud. Many people learn silently. They read in their mind and they don't speak out loud. Because of that, they struggle to speak. Speaking out loud helps to increase your pronunciation and fluency. When you speak out loud, your minds and your mouth work together. Even when you speak a simple sentence out loud, that increase your confidence and improve your pronunciation. Speaking out loud helps you to learn with the flow, and even when you learn a word, just don't if you learn a word, don't just learn the word, speak them out loud, so you will learn more faster. And I also want to talk about speaking short sentences. Many people speak very long sentences, and because of that, they drop their confidence and they do not and they struggle to speak clearly. They struggle to speak confidently. So speak simple sentences. Simple sentences helps you to build your confidence. Learn simple sentences because simple sentences helps you to build strong communication. First, in the beginning, start with the basics, learn simple sentences, and when you in the beginning, keep it simple and clear sentences. It's helped you build your fluency step by step because simple speaking creates strong communication. If you practice every day, if you practice short sentences, if you speak short sentences every day, and as you become good at speaking simple sentences, you can as you become good at simple sentences, you can shift yourself to practice longer sentences. When you speak simple sentences, you control your speaking. You don't make more mistakes. When you speak simple sentences, you make fewer mistakes. That's why speaking short sentences helps you to build a strong communication. That helps you to learn faster, to speak clear and natural. So, if you are a beginner, start with the simple sentences. That's help you to build your confidence, your fluency, and you make less mistakes. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.